This month's top 5 is actually going to have a look at what the challenges for thermodurics are as we come into the autumn and winter milk time. So one of the biggest challenges that you've got on farm is that you've probably got really strong solids at the moment, and that's really good. However, that can be just a little bit harder to clean. So if you're using liquid detergents, what we find is that if you use a powder once a week, a high strength caustic powder once a week, that will really help make sure that you're getting a really good clean. The other thing is to check your bowl tank, check your milking machine. The claw pieces, particularly the ones at the end of the line, are the ones to check. That'll tell you whether you're getting enough water and if it's hot enough and if your detergents are being effective. The other one, and it's not always the funnest one to think about, but if your cows are in or they're in and out, which at the moment that's what's happening because we've got rain, the teats and the udders are probably a little bit dirtier than usual. You really need to clean those off. That's where your bugs are actually coming from. If you spend a little bit of time cleaning teats and cleaning udders, you're going to stimulate your milk, so you're going to get a faster milk let down, but as well as that, you're going to have less bacteria coming into your milk, and that's going to make controlling your thermodurics easier for you. The other one, use this time of the year to actually check, have you got enough hot water? If not, now is the perfect time to upgrade your hot water system. For some of you coming into actually drying off, you're going to be not using your water for a while, so it's an ideal time to replace. Have a look at electric, gas, or the dairy geyser system, or solar. You've got lots of options to have a look at for this side of the year. The other thing to remember is to always just double check that you're using the right wash routines and that you're matching your products correctly. If your product range that you're using says that you need to use 3 or 5 acid washes, do that. Once a week will not be effective enough to get a really good clean through your machine, particularly through the winter. If you've got farm specific queries, catch up with our milk supply managers and they'll come out on farm and help advise and help sort and solve the problem for you. Thank you.